loud, bro.
It's a lot better on the top end too.
Yeah.
It's a lot safer, definitely.
Appreciate it, bro. This thing is A1.
Yes, sir.
But now we gotta pull up the Coyote. And I'm gonna apply the brakes and be shaking this shit. Get the jump and you still lost. Oh, I think that's the frame, bro. That is a frame. Low truck problems. Yeah, guys, we're here at Modular Motorsports. My boy Alex just got done working on TKO G12. Now, if you guys did not watch that video back in the days, we brought that truck to do a dyno pull. Leaned out on us a little bit. We wanted to upgrade the whole fuel system before actually delivering to the winner, Freddie, going all the way to Des Plaines, Illinois. Before we take it out there, we went ahead and upgraded everything. From fuel pumps, upgraded fuel rails, injectors, 80-pound injectors, fuel pressure regulator, and then a whole custom dyno tune on it. It's still 193 pump fuel. So we're about to check out the final numbers right now, and I brought some ice to see if we can cool down that ice box and that supercharger and see what it does. So, and then we're gonna load this one up and see what this one does too.
Oh, we're putting this one on?
Yeah, we're gonna do some numbers on this one. What do you think?
It makes?
Now let's focus on that one first, and then we'll see about this one. But drop those comments below. Let us know what you guys will think this one will do on the dyno. Bro, that shit was fucking loud.
Did 428 on that pull right there.
428?
Yeah.
428, damn, bro.
It's a lot better on the top end too.
Yeah.
It's a lot safer, definitely.
Okay. So that's, you just added ice right now though.
Yeah.
You think we could pick up a little bit more with the ice already sitting there?
Yeah, we can try it.
Should we turn on the bag in there?
Yeah, we can. Right there, baby.
435. Another bag of ice, bro, makes a difference.
Yeah, we're good there. It's fine right there. It's, I can drive it every day. Now it's all good to go.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. So 435, 428 the first one, 435 the second one. That's fucking badass.
Yeah. That's the boost. The bottom was the boost.
Oh, no, I was looking at this one, the torque.
Yeah.
This isn't bad, bro. This isn't even bad. So this thing is leaving A1. Ahorita. So what all we got to change on this one? Because I know we leaned out when we brought it the first time. We went ahead and replaced the fuel pumps.
We did bigger pumps, bigger injectors, bigger fuel rails with an adjustable regulator.
Okay.
So now you're not gonna have any kind of fueling issues at all. The only limitation now is the pump gas, because the boost it's peaking up to like 17 pounds.
Okay.
So on pump gas you don't want to go too high on the boost.
So the only other upgrade this one would need, if wanted, E85.
E85 or take the cats off. I mean.
Oh, that's right. We have high flow cats.
So yeah.
Forgot about that.
And
so this one
boost.
came with high flow, yeah, more boost. We always love more boost, right?
85 it'll break 500.
Really? Sorry, Freddie. Sorry, bro. Hey, but you're at 435. Shit.
It's better than nothing.
It's better than nothing. Nice, reliable truck. I was just talking to him earlier. He says he had the SRT 8 Jeep.
Yeah.
With 750.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. So he's like, I'm kind of glad this was more reliable.
Yeah,
I can drive
you can get in and drive it every day. You know, it's not cammed or nothing. It's not stalling or nothing. So
sounds good, looks good,
yeah.
drives good. He's taking one hell of a truck. So
that's a good ass deal.
Hell yeah.
For a t-shirt?
Yeah, what did he buy? He bought a
lot of stuff.
He bought a lot of stuff. He got in there like 6-7 times. They're like throughout the whole giveaway.
That's not a bad deal.
Hell yeah. Freddie, got a badass truck. Appreciate it, bro. This thing is A1.
Yes, sir.
But now we gotta pull up the Coyote. Again, we like to leave these trucks. We want these trucks to leave A1. Freddie wanted. It's going to Des Plaines, Illinois. We had to do some last minute little touch-ups on it to make sure everything leaves A1. From the fuel system to the dyno tune, because we got a brand new dyno tune by Modular Motorsports, and this thing is running A1. So congratulations again to Freddie. He's taking home one badass of a truck. But right now I really want to get some numbers on the black cable. Oh, it has no cats, and the red one has cats too. No, the red one just needs a whole new fucking tune and a full exhaust. That's all they fucking need.
Maybe some fuel.
Maybe we'll figure it out.
800.
Well, yeah. Well, actually, guys, the Red Coyote is actually going into Ace's Performance exhaust here pretty soon. We got something that we're gonna be doing to that one. Full exhaust with a long tube header, so y'all stay tuned for that. We'll do a little video for it. maybe test out some new exhausts, try some Corsas, try some
There's
spin
something
tank,
else, something new.
Magnaflows, some difference. If you guys want to watch that, make sure I hit the subscribe and stay tuned for that video because that's gonna be coming up here pretty soon.
That was shit.
No supercharger, bro, but that shit sounds good.
140. Okay.
Was that on 7?
That was 7. But let me I can go. I only went to 6,500 RPM. I can go higher.
Yeah, they do a little bit higher. They did 440 right now, but just on 6,500 RPMs. These things are capable of what?
8,000.
8,000 RPMs? We'll see right now. We don't know what the tune is set up at. With the data logging, you'll be able to say, like, tell what the RPM is set at or what?
Not necessarily. I mean, I could open the. If I didn't check the valve, yeah, I could check the valve.
Oh, definitely way higher RPM.
446.
446?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. And that was at
That's 75.
75?
Yeah.
Huh. 446.
Still good power.
Still pretty, yeah.
NA.
NA. Still faster than the Lightning.
I don't know about fast. Did y'all race them?
The Lightning, we didn't take it to the 8th mile.
No.
No, we didn't. Well, we did run John's when we took it to where was it at? Ennis,
Yeah.
at the quarter of a mile. It
Yeah.
ran 12.3s, and this one ran high 11.
The blue line is the Lightning. The red line is this truck.
Oh shit.
You see the power, the main power difference?
Yeah,
And the Lightnings make all the power down low.
yeah. And
So
one
if
makes
you're at
power
the
up.
track, it's probably gonna take it at the light.
Oh shit. Telling you, bro, that Lightning no se queda atrás.
Yeah, so like when they're both at 4,000 RPM, the Lightning's at 380 horsepower.
Uh-huh.
This one's only at 280, so it's 100 horsepower more.
Holy
on
shit.
The bottom end. Up until you get to like 5,000 RPM, that's when the Lightning is done, and then that's when the Coyote will kick in.
That's where the Coyote transmission kicks in.
Yeah, that's when it wakes
Top
up.
end, yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
So
if the Lightning
446.
had a 10-speed in it,
Oh,
The thing
dude.
about the Lightnings
Nice.
they're not high revving engines. They only go up to like 6,000 RPM.
well, that's true. So they won't really benefit from
it
that.
It won't benefit. You
Yeah.
could put a 6-speed to 10-speed. It won't
Okay.
benefit. The reason why these have a 10-speed is because they make more power up in the high RPM range. So if they can keep the RPMs higher up, they'll make more power. That's why you need a 10-speed.
Oh shit.
If you have a 4-speed, you can't do that.
Yeah. Now pair this up with the Whipple like we got on the red one. Serious number. What did we put on the red one? I forgot.
I forgot already.
500?
No. Wait, was it? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It was
Maybe like 503 or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right at 5.
What year was that one?
That was 23.
The red one is the Whipple truck, and that blue one is that stock one, that 21 you had.
Well, it's not too bad. 440, 446 on this one.
Yeah.
NA. Sounds good. Runs good.
Looks good.
Looks good. It's aggressive as fuck. So, not too bad.
Damn, we're gonna do it, Blue. It's in the. Is it behind the caliper?
I think it's behind the caliper.
The rotor?
Or is it the dust shield?
Oh.
Oh. Did you hear it?
Bro, how many came out, bro?
Bro, pinche piedrita. A ver. Okay, espera.
It's locked now.
Nice. It's locked. They took off the rock, now it's locked. Hell yeah. Bro, this fucking pebble. If you're gonna run runners, don't drive on the streets. God damn. Yeah, you see it? How
Yeah,
exposed it is?
Yeah, everything's exposed back there.
How do you get this small of a rock though, or this
Oh,
big of a
yeah,
rock
yeah.
in there? What?
There's nothing.
Yeah, it's like so fucking open, man. I was prepared, bro. I wanted to take off the wheel. I want to take off the caliper and all that shit.
Chill out. Let's go eat.
Let's go eat. Right now I'm gonna apply the brakes. It's gonna be shaking and shit. Well, there it is. 446 to the wheels.
No, we can round up. 450.
450. We'll call it the 450. 450 horsepower on the 85. Ported Boss intake. It's nice, boy. I don't know, but it's got that carbon fiber intake right there. So that right there, it has at least.
I mean, it's all kinked up right here.
Man, we
So
lost some
hopefully
tires
if
there.
So if we free it up, it gets a little bit more,
Maybe.
more air. We need to bring out that 90, the PVC 90. What is it,
I know,
schedule,
right?
schedule 40?
Yeah.
What it is?
It's already all full bolts on too, really.
Pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? This is like the great, like the nice daily driver.
I did the same setup on an F-150 before. Headers 85 tune with the 302 manifold. We never dynoed it after this, so I couldn't tell you what it made.
So a lot of people say to go with this intake manifold because it's pretty good. And then I looked them up.
It's up to par with 18.
Yeah.
18 manifolds are pretty good, but it's just a bit better.
So this one is a 1320 Junkie one, so it's already a ported one. I mean, for what it has, it runs really damn good on the streets. If it put down 450 to the wheels, that's fucking badass. Alright guys, so luckily it was just a small little pebble behind the rotor here. Alex was came up with this snap-on fucking impact ready to go, and we didn't have to take off the wheel. Thank God. We're good to go. ¿Dónde está la pebble?
Out of my pocket.
And he already has it in his pocket.
Well, you told me to save it, bro.
We gotta save it, bro, cause pinche mamá. I'm gonna throw it right there and it's gonna go back in the same spot. How? I don't get it. How this big of a fucking pebble can go in between that small of a gap. So that's crazy, but we're gonna keep it for memories. Well, Fonseca is. Here you go, bro. I'll put it on the necklace. We're gonna go do a full exhaust on the red one. Come back for another dyno pull. Same tune, same everything. We're gonna see what it puts down.
Listo.
Ahí estamos.
Take it easy, buddy.
Let's go. You taking the Lightning or are you taking the Coyote?
I'm taking the Lightning.
Ahí viene, ahí viene. Creepy, he's the one driving the Lightning right now. We're recording each other. Shit.
Almost had you, bro.
Almost having, bro.
Almost had you.
Almost. The thing runs good, huh?
It runs good.
Really good.
Coyote moves.
Dude, it sounds fucking amazing. Tan parejitas, güey. 435, 440.
Honestly, yeah, I mean,
450.
when out the top end, you're pulling away real nasty.
Yeah.
I mean, that's where that 10-speed comes into play.
A huevo, a huevo.
You know?
Huevo, huevo.
But down low, we definitely stayed pretty close.
Hey, güey.
So, time to eat some food. They barely feed me here at TKO, guys.
Muy apenas, güey. It's already 5 o'clock. We should be clocking in right now. ¿Nada dieta o qué?
I was.
Usually get the 6-piece, bro.
Yeah.
Fonseca creeping up. Want that smoke. Nah, it ran pretty good. You also he had the jump. He had a jump, right? Yeah,
No, chill out, bro. Chill out, bro.
You had the jump and you still lost.
There was
bro.
no such thing as a jump. Nobody honked it off.
Yeah, I don't wanna get off. I just went off of when he stepped on it. As soon as he stepped on it, I stepped on it. But no, it was a good race. Fucking the line was acá atrás. Yeah, but we get here to the shop, to the storage. Chingo of white eyes, a white suspicious van, and like a cover, right?
Yeah.
Ya mataron a alguien. No, eran puros crawfish. And here goes Fonseca asking for a business card, trying to get some crawfish and shit.
Yeah.
Craw daddies.
I just wanted one that fell off the truck. What's up?
Now we know where the plug is though. It's right across the street from us. Right across the storage unit. But alright guys, we pulled up back to the storage. We called Edgar to come out here to pick us up. Because we're going to drop off both trucks here. And as soon as we pull up, I forgot I left my truck here. So, appreciate the road, but
You go back.
it's not like I drove far anyways. How many bodies, bro? How many bodies?
That leaky already heavy.
Pretty heavy.
It's leaking blood. It's leaking blood.
It's leaking. Chingo de pinche crawfish. Never had crawfish.
Fishy water.
You ever had crawfish? I don't think so.
Man.
Need to try some, huh?
Should we pop Juan's crawfish cherry?
No, I think we need to.
We need to, right?
Just about the shop. Tomorrow. Alright guys, well, we had a good day. The Coyote put down 450 to the wheels. Sounds good, sounds amazing. We did a little friendly, little just pull. I don't even know how fast we were going, like 40, 50? I don't even know.
Oh, yeah. Probably like a 40 roll.
Probably like a 40 roll. Fonseca gave me a good idea. We're gonna have to actually race the red one, the Whippled Race Red Coyote against this one. Now that one already put down 505. I don't know if I told you, that one put 505. This one put 450. So, I mean, obviously...
Yeah, but now we'll get to see, like, do the shift points make a huge difference?
sí, cierto.
But this has way different shift points.
Yeah. So that's a race you guys want to watch. The Race Red Coyote Whippled stock. Before we take it to go get the exhaust. Yeah. Because we're going to go get the exhaust. Long tube headers, full exhaust. Before we go do that, we're going to race that one and this one and see what it puts down. Or see which one wins. Theoretically, the red one.
Unless the race goes past 100.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do like a 40 roll and then 40 to 100.
40 to 100.
40 to 100, yeah. See, yeah, hasta 100. I mean, obviously over 100 is gonna pull over. You gonna drive the red one, or you gonna drive the red one?
You drive the red one. That's a bet. That's what I do. You always give me the slow trucks anyways.
If you want to drive, I record them. So you get your redemption on one.
Okay, I really do want to.
He wants a fucking redemption.
Yeah.
I mean, I beat him in the type. I beat him in the type.
No, you didn't, bro. Y te voy a ganar todavía, vas a ver.
Bro,
te voy a ganar, vas a ver. Es el
You
mono.
beat him in the Type R against what?
against the red Coyote.
I won.
The Type R?
Yeah.
Fuck,
I know what you're talking about.
You win,
Bro, I
Yeah.
was out. By the time you hit your governor, I was out like a bumper offender.
Okay, play the clips again, bro. But play the right clips.
No, we'll play that.
Ah,
We'll play the clip I'm gonna play.
Shit. But it's like gonna be like that, bro. Look, guys. All the videos, obviously these videos are edited, right? Because I edit these videos, right?
Here we go.
Fonseca, when he loses, he does not like to put the videos up.
Here we go.
Yeah, he wants to edit it
he-
to make it
yeah.
seem like he won.
Bro, I'll put all the videos.
No. Sometimes we might do like 3 races, but he only put 2 because the third one he lost, or the second one he lost, or the first one he lost. But he doesn't want to put all of them.
That one time the memory card filled up. What are you talking about, man?
Chingada. Ponlas todas, güey, parejo, win or lose. It's all fun and games. ¿Sí o no? ¿Sí o no? But let's race them again.
Oh, no.
Le quitamos todo el pinche huepo, fuck it.
Okay, take the whip off.
and then we race for money.
Okay. The Type R is tuned though.
You tuned it already?
Yeah.
Oh, que la verga. Did you really tune it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So, hey, let's do it. Come on. Let's run.
Well, yeah, it's right. The Whipple?
To be honest,
Yeah, the way it is.
I think I could beat the Whipple.
When did you tune it?
Like last month.
I didn't know that. Well, let's race them again. The Type R versus the Whipple Race Red. I already got fucking races lined up. This one in the Race Red and the Type R and the Race Red. So if you guys want to watch those races, make sure to hit the subscribe. If you have only for Team Fonseca over here, the Type R.
Team Honda.
Team Honda, I mean.
Team Fast. Team Fast.
I don't know, bro.
Team Fast. Team Winners. We don't get slow shit.
Team Wieners.
What you want to be?
Hey.
Is that what you want to be?
Hey, aren't you 0-3 on the races?
Who?
How many times has he raced?
I beat the Red Coyote. Put the
No, you
video,
did
bro.
not, bro.
Minus the 60 roll. That one you got me.
Okay,
I
so
give
every
you credit
race.
on that
So
one.
every race. Okay, what about the other video? The one you said I didn't shit and no sé qué pedo and I was up.
Now you're making shit up.
See,
Now you're
see,
making shit
it
up.
happened, but you already deleted the evidence.
Nah.
He was like, archive, not delete. Recycle bin, delete. Pasa nada,
¿Y
güey.
tú? What are you
No
gonna
pasa
race
nada.
Whatever. I don't know, black one or red one, man.
I don't know, bro, but I just like how the lighting's just over there idling, sounding badass and shit.
I know. Let's put it up.
Just there chilling. But yeah, guys, those races are coming up. So if you guys want to watch that, hit the subscribe. We appreciate you guys for watching. Let us know what you guys think about the 450 horsepower Coyote. Got some little things coming up for this one. So got some leather seats, tires. That's too good. I got 2 sets of tires in the storage for this one. That's stay tuned for that content, though. Appreciate it for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit that like. Check us out on Instagram, YouTube. Oh, we're already on YouTube. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And we got some new drip coming up, that way. ¿Cómo lo nombraste hace rato, güey?
Which one?
What you call Edgar earlier?
Multimedia.
Multimedia. That's what it was. That's what
Yeah,
it was.
multimedia design.
He's like, well, I do this, and I do that, and then this and that. Yeah, just multi fucking.
Yeah, so if you guys didn't realize, well, I do all the videos, I edit them. He does everything behind the scenes with the multimedia. He does everything with the printing. Yeah, I mean, shit. That's how Trokiando works. And then Juan,
I'm just here for the ride, bro.
Juan drives the trucks.
They
Juan
give
drives
me-
and breaks the trucks.
They give me keys,
Juan
I start
fixes the
driving, and I just fucking go. I don't give a fuck. I'm waiting for someone to stare hard enough to Drake will be finished, so I can drive that bitch.
That's what Juan does. He stares at the truck 3 hours a day.
Shut the up. Vas a ver, güey, vas a ver. Ya sabes que ya, voy para...